Honestly, I think that we are just days away from the beginning of a parabolic rally for 30x gains on Stacks. Stacks is the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, enabling Bitcoin DeFi. And when it comes to layer 2s on Bitcoin, when it comes to the number one project for Bitcoin related developments, the answer is Stacks. Looking at the competitors, there's not a lot of it. In fact, if there is any at all, nobody's talking about it. It's not even relevant yet. Eventually, there will be more competition coming into the space, but one of the biggest bets I'm personally making in this bull market is investing in the Stacks ecosystem, especially in some of the altcoins within that ecosystem. I'm going to be taking profits out of some of those altcoins within the Stacks ecosystem into Stacks because I believe Stacks can make 30x gains from here. We could see $100 Stacks. Let's talk about what's coming up next, how we break into price discovery mode for this token, because we are very close as Bitcoin hit its all-time high today, and we are just seeing some liquidations, a little bit of trading going on around the top here, while Bitcoin decides whether we want to break up and out or reject off the previous highs and come back down for a cool-off before a parabolic explosion after the Bitcoin halving like everybody expects. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. We're going to explore Stacks, what's going on with this ecosystem, what I expect to happen in this, and where Bitcoin is headed today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us get right into it, guys. So here is the chart for Stacks. If you take a peek at it, we're looking at the daily candles right now, and you look at the previous highs, we have tied the previous highs. In fact, we were maybe just a hair short of getting up to that previous high for Stacks. Here's what you look at, though. Bitcoin actually did breach its all-time high and it currently hit about $70,200. Here was your previous all-time high. Here was the new high set today by Bitcoin. What's very interesting right now is we do have a lot of things playing out that are very bizarre. You see some whale games, as you might want to say. We saw a breakout to the upside. What happened? There was a massive, massive long squeeze and greedy long leverage positions were liquidated and we had a reset. We came back down. We had this wedge playing out. Everybody probably thought this wedge is going to break out to the upside because we broke previous all-time highs and we're going to go back up. What happened? A fake out to the downside. I do think that at some point tonight while we're sleeping, Bitcoin's going to creep back up and break all-time highs. If it does not, we are increasingly every single day at risk for downside and Bitcoin retracing to the downside. So let's see how this thing plays out, guys. But be aware of this. If Bitcoin can break out and go into price discovery mode, then we highly anticipate, me and my partner Black Sea, that Stacks will also join in that endeavor and move to continue upward and go towards all-time highs. I believe that getting in Stacks ecosystem right now is like getting in the Ethereum ecosystem early. If you are not bullish on Bitcoin DeFi and DeFi being developed on Bitcoin, then maybe you just don't know that the speed of the transactions on the Bitcoin network, which are right now 10 to 30 minutes per transaction, which is slow, are about to go down to lower than 4 seconds. They're going to be cheaper and faster than Ethereum, even with Ethereum's upcoming Deacon upgrade, which is also causing an absolute explosion for the price of Ethereum, which also broke above $4,000 today. So I do believe that Stacks token is going to enter price discovery mode soon. I do believe that this token is ahead of a lot of other altcoins and probably going to be one of the first tokens of significance to get into price discovery mode alongside Bitcoin. And keep in mind that the overall market cap is still not up towards its double peak, is still has a lot more upside, which means a lot of altcoins can rally. And I do believe that Stacks is going to be one of the top performing mid to large cap altcoins out there in this market ahead. Okay, so I did want to share with you guys some of this as well. I wanted to take a peek at some of this information. So first off, again, you do look at the last 7 days and you will see that Stacks is not up here. In fact, Stacks over the last 7 days, I believe, is one of the biggest losers, which is good. That is a cool-off period as Bitcoin's testing its all-time highs. As we see a cool-off, that means it's a good accumulation period. I think this allows us the opportunity to see this come and have its next leg up. Earlier in this video, I said Stacks is the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, enabling Bitcoin DeFi, and there really is not a lot of competition. In fact, when you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at the different chains, the largest blockchains in crypto ranked by TVL, you will see you got Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, Optimism. Number 9 is Cronos, and we still don't even see Stacks up here yet. Stacks is still number ranked 38. I do believe that Stacks is going to become a top 10 chain at some point in the future, guys. In the future, I think it is inevitable. In fact, Bitcoin came up into the top 5 recently, and I think this still has a lot more upside. Now, these are arguably some of the competitors for Stacks. Merlin's chain. This is probably the big one. Frankly, I don't think it has any leg to stand on compared to Bitcoin DeFi because inherently, actually, you need to use Ethereum a lot to use this Merlin's chain, which is very, very interesting, which leads us back to Stacks, guys. I do believe this as well. When the Stacks ecosystem, when Stacks hits parabolic price movement, when we have price discovery mode for Stacks, I believe that the Stacks ecosystem, the Stacks tokens like Welsh, the first ever meme coin built on Stacks, first token ever built on Bitcoin via Stacks, I believe this will go into price discovery mode as well. We just flipped green on the day after a little bit of a, well, actually quite a big retracement, a big sell from some whales taking profit. Gus has been selling off as well. I think that maybe the sellers on Gus are looking exhausted at this point, probably because of one very obvious thing. Crypto's moving up. Stacks is about to break into price discovery mode. It's the largest narrative in crypto that nobody's talking about right now, as Bitcoin is breaking its previous all-time highs, leading an indication that Stacks is about to follow in that endeavor. And obviously the altcoins in the Stacks ecosystem, if Stacks does well, those altcoins should do well. Considering their lower market caps, I think they have a lot more gains. It's a similar narrative to investing in Solana tokens like Jupiter, the exchange token, the decentralized exchange token for Solana, Orca, any of these other ones, Radium. It's the same concept as investing in Aave or on Compound or any of the altcoins within the Ethereum ecosystem, or even the altcoins within the Cronos ecosystem. Simply, I'm doing it in the Stacks ecosystem because I believe that Bitcoin DeFi is going to be the largest narrative in 2024. I believe that when this hits price discovery mode, we could see up to $100 Stacks token 30+ X gains, maybe even 50X gains for this token. I think that buying Stacks now is like buying Ethereum in 2016. That's a very bold statement. I'd like to know what your thoughts are on it in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Do you think Bitcoin's going to hit all-time highs? Buy our videos coming out tomorrow, guys. I personally do. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. That's all I got on this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. Don't forget, as always, to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check it out. Me and my wife are going out for sushi tonight. Enjoy your weekend, y'all. I'll see you next time. Peace.